If you're a business owner and maybe your credit score is not so hot, but you do have cash flow, how would it feel to get access to up to $250,000 in business funding today? I would imagine probably good. So in this video, I'm going to break down a company called Revenue, show you everything you need to know about them and how you can get access to some funding like this inside your business. So let's head over to my computer and break everything down. All right, we are at my computer, and as you see, we are on the home page for the Revenue Business Credit Card. Okay, so as we see here, it says the revenue-based financing that Revenue offers keeps proper financing in focus. Business owners can use their funds as much or as little as they see fit. And just some, quick background on this company. They were founded in 2020, and it says here Revenue serves as a trusted fintech resource that helps small businesses simplify the process of managing business finances, and a portfolio company of Base Point Capital, a leading credit fund. So you're going to be seeing this more and more as we kind of just move on through the months and the years with these different fintech companies. It's becoming a very popular way for business owners, small, mid-sizes, and even large companies to be able to get business funding. As we see here, it says fintech companies enable consumers access to a wide range of funding options, including loans to business through an online platform, often at a lower cost and with a faster approval process than traditional banks. Invoice financing. This is becoming very popular as well. This method allows businesses to obtain funding by selling outstanding invoices to a fintech lender, resulting in immediate cash flow. Crowdfunding. I know you guys have heard of this, like the lending clubs, things of that nature. Fintech firms provide a platform for businesses to receive funding from numerous individuals, allowing them to access alternative capital sources. And then you got merchant cash advance as well, which most people know what that is. So fintech companies are here to stay, and there's going to be more and more of them similar to Revenue, like we're talking about today. They're going to be coming out offering you different ways to fund your business and unique ways also to fund your business. So getting back to Revenue in their home page, this is the Revenue Flex line here that we're talking about, and a couple just kind of quick points I wanted to highlight. It says a new way to working capital. We utilize revenue-based financing to get your business the funding it needs in the form of an investment, not a loan. That means we purchase a portion of your future receivables to provide you with working capital today. And it says apply online and receive a funding decision in as little as an hour with our secure application. Upon approval, and you'll receive a login and be able to access funds for your business within 25 hours. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start breaking down some of the data points and criteria. But if you're enjoying this video so far, go ahead and smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell for notifications so you will be notified every time I drop a new video. All right, so what I have pulled up here is like a little sheet with Revenue, and it says boost your spending power, turn payments into assets that can build your SBFE, which is the Small Business Financial Exchange. That's a business credit score if you don't know. And then get a spending limit that grows with your business revenue in real time. There's no monthly or annual fees on this card. And also, too, there's no hard credit pull to apply. That's really, really major. This is for businesses that, maybe got bad credit on the personal side, but you still want to try to get business funding and you got some cash flow. Okay, so that's who this is really for, and that's who they're targeting. So if you're in that boat, that this is going to be the perfect revenue and kind of business funding option for you. All right, we are on the data points page, and the first thing you're going to want to know is that you must be a US based business. You can't be a foreign business or anything else. You got to be on US soil. Okay, next, you must have been in business for at least a year. So this is not like startup friendly or anything like that. You got to have at least a year in business. The next thing is you have to have a separate business checking account, and really, guys, you should have this anyway. Like I tell you guys about co-mingling funds and stuff like that. You always want to have a business bank account set up, and it's no different here with getting this card. You got to have a business bank account set up so that they can kind of go through everything and make sure everything's up to par. Next on the list, you must have monthly sales volume of at least 20K a month or more. Okay, so this is a revenue-based funding play, hence the name Revenue. So you got to have at least 20K a month in revenue to qualify. Next on the list, you have to have an average daily balance of $1,000. Okay, so they don't want to see anything below that. And all this means is every single day your balance is at least $1,000 or more for 30 to 31 consecutive days whenever your bank statement closes in terms of that business bank account that you're going to use to verify funds here. Next, you cannot have a negative bank balance beyond 3 days in a month. Okay, so that kind of coincides with what I just said with the average daily bank account. It kind of is the same thing. And the last point is you cannot operate in the banking or lending industry at all. So that's their two kind of red flag industries right there. If you're not in those industries, you'll be good to go. So it's really simple to apply for this, guys. You'll see a link at the top left of the screen, also in the pinned comment as well. All you have to do is enter your email to get started, and that's so they can, update you with important statuses and, process throughout the application process. Step 2, they'll go ahead and collect some basic contact information, and they'll ask some qualifying questions to save you time and ensure you meet the minimum criteria for funding. But we just went over that, guys. So again, if you meet the things I just went over right now, then you'll be good to go in terms of this. And then step 3, it says now we're getting somewhere. Next up, you'll enter all the required information we need to make a financing decision for your business. And that's it. Like I told you guys, it takes about 24, 48 hours, give or take, for them to get a decision. You make sure you got those data points that I just mentioned, you'll be good to go. Again, link will be at the top left of the screen, also in the pinned comment. If you want to go ahead and apply for this is a good setup for anybody, again, that meets the qualifications. Your credit's not there yet, or maybe you're trying to rebuild it, but you do have some good cash flow. This is perfect for you. Now, if you already have a 680 plus credit score, maybe this video in terms of this funding option is not meant for you, but you still want to get our help and get one-on-one help in a custom funding strategy with funding options similar to this that you can qualify for. Go ahead and click the link in the description. You can go ahead and book a call with us. We'll sit down with you, analyze your business, see if we can help you and build a custom funding strategy for you to go ahead and get your business funded. So if you're ready to kind of take that next step and you're ready to invest in a solution, and again, you do have a 680 credit score, again, click that link in the description. I'll be more than happy to hop on a call with you and see if that is a good option for you. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for notifications so you will be notified every time I drop a new video. If you want to get some more business funding information and you want to learn my 3-step strategy on how you can get endless funding for your business, whether you're a startup or existing in business, whatever the situation is, go ahead and click the video on the screen right now. It'll take you to a recent video I just did where I break down my 3-step strategy on how to fund your business right now. So go ahead and click that video and I'll see you in that one.